Good morning, my dear students. I am your science teacher, S. Kiran sir. Welcomes you all back another session of science online classes. Students, last videos we have completed all the topics that is related to this chapter, and now we proceed to the question answer session. Okay, students, question answer session. So, students, in the question answer session, first of all, this is the time to recognize ourselves inside the chapters, inside the topic, to what we have learned from it. What we have learned from it. So this is the time to know, this is the time to access ourselves. Okay. So I'm talking about the subjective questions, that is the question number A and question number B. Students, I will send you the notes of the particular questions A and B both. So just you mention in your notes copy, but students, I request to you all that please mention your notes copy all the things in visual handwriting, neat and clean handwriting, without any error. Please give the time, have the patience, and then do your homework. And students, also we know very soon your unit test 2 will be commenced, so you all have to prepare for that, so that before the conduction of unit test 2 you have to complete all the records till taught, all the notes till taught, and send back to me before the conduction of paper. In the next video, I will let you know till which date you have to submit your notes copy. Are you getting my points, students? Till it means chapter 1 to chapter 5. I need from chapter 1 to chapter 5. This is the chapter 5. And from chapter 1 to chapter 5, I need consistently and very neat and clean handwriting your notes without any error. Try to not any error. Okay. Next, students, so come to the topic. Today we will discuss about the question number C. A and B, I will pass the notes, I will give you the notes, and after that you will copy in the notes copy. And if you require more notes of any other chapters, to message me so that I will provide to you then and there. Okay, students, and okay, let's move to the question answer. Question is that, see on the board, that state whether the following statements are true or false. The students, after knowing and after a long discussion of this chapter, today we will come to that point, what we have learned from this chapter. This is the time to recognize ourselves. Okay, students. So, number first, what you have to do related to this chapter, few sentences are mentioned here. On the reading of this, on the understanding of this statements, whether we have to consider is it true or it is false. Okay, are you getting my point, students? So see, plants and animals both are made of cells. Students, yes, exactly. Plants and animals both are made of cells, but have no dissimilarity. Do you think like that there may be no any dissimilarity between plants and animals? No. It means this statement is false. Are you getting my point, students? This statement is false. Plants and animals have difference. Doesn't matter, both of them are made with the help of cells. In spite of they have dissimilarity. Okay, students, see. Second point, vinegar. Vinegar is soluble in water. Okay, students, and chalk is insoluble in water. I'm asking, vinegar is soluble in water, but chalk is insoluble in water. True or false? Is it true? It is true. See, students, number C, it means number third, aluminium is transparent. Do you know aluminium? Aluminum is also a metal. You can check in your kitchen. Just ask to mama, your mama, ma, where is the aluminum utensils? Please show me. And after that, see, is it transparent or opaque or translucent? Okay. Aluminum is transparent and glass is opaque. It is true or false? Completely false. It is false. Number 4. Oil is denser than water. Students, oil is denser than water. It was already explained in the topic that the denser materials in the respect of water that will be sink in the water. And if oil is denser than water, then why the oil is make another layer on the surface of water? It means on that way, this statement is also false. Okay, students, FALSE, false. See, students, FALSE, false. If anybody have the problem to recognize my alphabets, recognize my handwritings, please ask me through the chat. Okay. And all of you are requested to make your handwriting cursive. If you don't know, then start it. If you don't know, then start it. Because beta, handwriting is very important. As our appearance is important, supposed to be, if I present myself somewhere, in that circumstances, the people who is in front of you, they see your personality. What type of personality you have maintained in yourself. So simply beta, on that same day, as we start to write anything, that is a reflector. That is the hallmark that recognize, no, his handwriting is very good. So I start to write cursive. If you don't know, then please try to ask. You ask, I will let you know how to write. Okay? But I started. Now see, the cotton is a soft material. Cotton is a soft material. Same way. Have you touched that cotton, whether it is hard or soft? If you did not touch, then please do it. You will feel soft. It means this statement is true. A notebook signs and eraser does not. This statement with a notebook, according to a statement, notebook sign and eraser does not. Is it true or false? Completely false. See, question number 7. All plastics and stones are transparent. Do you think like that? Maybe plastics transparent, but do you think stones will be transparent? Yes, this statement is also false. See the question number 8. Wood weighing less dense than water. Wood weighing less dense than water. It means have the less density of water. Floats over water. Exactly. True. Less density materials definitely it can float on the water. See, fill in the blanks. Students, people know about the fill in the blanks. It means a statement is given, or this statement is incomplete statement. That is not complete statement. This is the incomplete statements are given that you have to make complete by just few words or sentences by your mind on the basis of topic. Okay. See the question. Fill the blanks. Materials allow light to pass through them. Which type of materials allow light to pass through them? Simple. Transparent. Exactly. Transparent. Okay, students. See the question number 2. Fill the blanks and fill the blanks have a shiny appearance. Shiny appearance, students. Can you say? Have you seen aluminium foil? Aluminium foil, have you seen? Sometimes you used to wrap braids in it. And second one, a steel utensils. Which? A steel utensils. You know utensils? utensils, it means where in the where you used to eat, on plate or bowl, it is a glass, etc. See, aluminium foil and steel utensils have shiny appearance. Okay, students. Apart from it, maybe another ones also. See the question number third. Can be opaque or translucent? Can be opaque or translucent? Which one? Plastic. Plastic may be translucent, transparent, or maybe opaque too. See, question number 4, students. A substance, fill in the blanks, dense than water will sink. Less dense or more dense? If a materials have capability to sink in the water, it means its density is more than water. More than water, then it is sinking. See, fill in the blanks, and fill in the blanks are gases which dissolve in water. Which dissolve in water. Simple. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. See, question number next, students. Umbrellas are made of, fill in the blanks, materials. Umbrellas are made of this type of materials. Then we can say that water resistant or waterproof. We can say that water resistant or waterproof materials. Okay, students. I hope that all of you have understood, and it's my humble request. Please do it a neat and clean handwriting in your notes copy. Okay, students. Now we will see the other question about the match the columns and MCQ. Okay, students. Question number 3. In match the following. It means you have to make a complete sentence or complete sentence. There are 2 columns, column A and column B. You have to make a right pair. So that is what match the following. See, in question number 1, if I talk about the column A, in question first is given butter paper. Butter paper, what type of properties have? See in column B. Is it transparent? No. Soft metal? No. Translucent? Exactly. What is water paper? Water paper behave like translucent. See, question number 2. What is shawl? Transparent? No. Soft metal? Do you think like that it is soft? No. Translucent already matched. See, hardest substance? I think no. Soluble in water. Exactly. What is soluble in water? It means fine. In question number 3, air. Do you think what is there? How and why we are everything is visible? What the things is around us? Why it is visible? Because air is already there. In spite of we are seeing, it means air is, we can say that transparent. Air is transparent. This first. Question number 4. A gas that dissolves in water. Transparent done, translucent done, soluble done. 3 done. Only 3 left. Soft metal, oxygen, or hydrogen substance. You may see a gas dissolved in water. Which gas dissolved in water? It means 6. Oxygen. You can say that for this. Can you write? Please don't get confused. Okay. Don't get confused. Number 6. Number 5. Sodium. What is sodium? Either soft metal or hardest substance. Soft metal. Okay. Now diamond. What is diamond? Hardest substance known. Okay, students. See. Same way. As the following is completed, true, false completed, fill in the blanks completed. Have to do now. You have to do that all the things what today we have learned. We have written few things I have been printed on the board. That kindly mention it in your neat and clean handwriting in your notes copy, and I will share the date in the next video that you all have to send the notes copy so that I will get confirmed that you all people are ready for the unit test 2. So till that, bye bye, thank you.